Hey ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Sierpenski's triangle. I am going to do this backwards of the way that most people on the internet tend to do these steps. What I'm going to tell you to do is I'm going to have you draw a triangle. And then I'm going to have you build a new triangle made of 3 of the previous triangle. And what that looks like is, all right, let's just draw a triangle. Okay. You can build a triangle using 3 triangles. One goes to the right. So here's our previous triangle. That's a triangle right here. We're going to build a new triangle by drawing 3 of those. So that's 1, 2, 3. And from drawing 3 of the original triangle, we were able to make a new triangle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this triangle. I'm going to do one to the right and one on top. This exact triangle that is made of 3 smaller triangles. So I'm going to repeat the process of what I just did to the right. So I copy and pasted that one once. Now I'm going to do it one more time on top. The 2 base triangles. And then the one on top. Not my best work, but you kind of get the idea. Now we're going to take this triangle. I'm going to copy and paste it. I'm going to put one of them here and one of them here. But I'm going to start the same way I started the original one. 1 triangle. 1, 2, 3 triangles. There we go. I copied it once to the right. Now I'm going to copy it one more time on top. Once you get to this point, it starts getting kind of complicated. I'm going to count how many triangles I need across the bottom. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's going to need to be 4 of them. Halfway is about to here. So I need 2 on this side. 2 on that side. There we go. And that's about halfway. So this is just a pattern, y'all. You take a triangle, you build a new triangle using 3 of the triangle you just built. So I just built this triangle. The next triangle will be made of 3 of those. One of them already exists. It's right there. The next one would go here. And the next one would go here. But I would build those from scratch. So I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible, because this is when it starts getting to the really tedious bits. It's going to take me a minute. I wish I could time lapse this, but I can't. So this kind of pattern, this isn't just for people who like math. This is also very artsy. It's also for people who like art and geometric patterns. Technically, this is what's called a fractal. That's a mathematical concept. But usually they break fractals down, starting from the bigger triangles and then breaking it down into the smaller triangles. I just find that it's easier to analyze the mathematical patterns of it, starting with the smaller triangles and building it up. If you ever plan on building a Sierpenski's pyramid, you can't just start with a big pyramid and chisel away. Well, I guess you could. That's more sculpting than building. So what you need to be able to build it in this similar pattern from one pyramid at a time instead of from the big version to the small version. And oops, I made that one a little big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4, 2. I'm kind of rushing these last bits. That's a triangle. That's a triangle. Almost done. I mean, obviously you could continue this pattern for infinity. Just my iPad screen is a limited size, so it is what it is. Oop, I'm about to run into my title a little bit. Just a little bit, so no big deal. And I'm done. Ta-da! Sierpenski's triangle. So this was our original triangle down here. We copy and pasted that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that gave us this triangle. And we copy and pasted that triangle to build another triangle that became this one and this one. And then we took that triangle, we copy and pasted it to build another triangle that gave us this one and this one. Which made this triangle. I'm just kind of going back over that pattern. Don't mind my cats fighting in the background. So that made this triangle, and we copy and pasted it. That was that last bit that took me forever because that was a lot of triangles to draw. That gave us this triangle and this triangle, which gave us our final result, this nice big old triangle. I just wanted to kind of outline those so you can kind of see the pattern a little bit better. I hope that helped. Research some stuff about Sierpenski's triangle because it's really cool, to be honest. Have a great day. Bye.